We are on our way over to Fontana Dam. Going to do the north part of Moonshiner 28 on our way over to Deals Gap and Tail of the Dragon. Sorry about the lack of filming yesterday. It was supposed to rain all day. Never did. So I didn't want to take a chance of icing this camera. But we're going to go ahead and head over to Fontana Dam and Tail of the Dragon. And we'll catch up with y'all there. Alright, so we are here at Fontana Dam. Sorry I didn't film too awful much. A lot of construction going on. Did film a little bit though, but I mean, how could you be mad? Like, for real. What do you think, babe?
I like it. It's nice up
Gorgeous
here.
Up here, isn't it?
It is.
What do you think, little miss? I'm not going to listen to nobody. Let's walk over here and check out this view on the other side of the lake. It's pretty wild up here. It says it's 480 feet tall. To me, it looks way taller than that, but maybe it's just me. I'm not sure. I do have to say, it looks pretty awesome up here, though. This is my first time here at Fontana Dam. I was aiming to come here last year while we were here, but didn't make it over here. Didn't happen. But we're here now, so that's all that matters. So this is the view you get down here at the bottom of the dam from up top. Looks pretty wild, I think. We're heading over to Deals Gap and going to do Tail of the Dragon. And my plan for this Tail of the Dragon video is to do it start to finish, no cuts, no edits, no nothing. Just start to finish from Deals Gap all the way to the end of the Dragon. And from there, we're gonna go hit the Foothills Parkway. We were going to do Highway 441 through Great Smoky Mountain National Park, but it is closed while we're here. And I'm kind of butthurt about that because that was the main road other than the Foothills Parkway that I wanted to check out while we were here. But what are you gonna do? But we're gonna head on over to Deals Gap and Tail of the Dragon. Be sure to stay tuned for that video. It'll be coming. All right, well, we made it to Deals Gap. Luna's first time here. The old lady up there in her lovely little biker vest. We're gonna go in here to Deals Gap, check some stuff out, and once we do that, I'm gonna strap this camera to the helmet and we're gonna go tackle Tail of the Dragon. And yeah, we're gonna have a hell of a time doing it. Catch up with y'all in a minute. On to the Foothills Parkway. We just got done tackling Tail of the Dragon. We are now currently on the Foothills Parkway. This has been a bucket list ride for me for a while, and I'm finally getting to do it for the first time with my lady and my dog, both on the bike. I don't know if you can see her, little Miss Luna sitting over there in the mirror. But we're on the Foothills Parkway. Dragon was fun. We almost had the road to ourselves, which is surprising considering it's Friday, but I'm okay with that. I tell you what, ladies and gentlemen, this has been a good trip so far. Weather's been great. Roads have been great. Currently trekking the Foothills Parkway. Howdy, guys. And so far, I am definitely loving the Foothills Parkway. Beautiful up through here. I was really wanting to tackle this road last time we were here, but
Unfortunately, we were not able to get around to it because the day we were planning on doing it, it was raining all day, so we decided not to get the bikes out. But I'm going to kind of speed up just a little bit through here and have a little bit of fun, because this is not, at least so far, not technical by no means, just some fairly easy sweeping curves, and so far not a lot of scenic views. I know there's supposed to be a lot of scenic views on this ride, and we just haven't come across them just yet. We're only a couple miles in. Howdy guys, I love seeing all these bikes out here. I love being able to get out and do things like this and watch everybody else who is doing the same thing, and it just puts a smile on this old chubby guy's face. Beautiful. I am going to stop at some of these overlooks and do a little bit of filming, but for now we're just going to enjoy this ride. I'll probably stop at the overlooks and stuff on the way back through. Right now I'm just going to enjoy the ride. And there's a nice one right there. Wow, how could I get so lucky to do this, to get out here on two wheels and enjoy God's creation? You know what, I don't deserve it, but here we are, and I'm doing it. Deserving or not, doesn't matter. We're doing it, and we're having a hell of a time doing it. I got my woman back here, I got my dog back there, and we are just absolutely enjoying life out here on two wheels in Tennessee. Another group of bikers. Howdy guys, I love it. Love it. So far this road has been absolutely beautiful. You ain't got to worry about going too slow. You can just take these curves fairly easily. I'm definitely loving it. There is a bridge that goes around a mountain, that curves around a mountain. I'm trying to find out. Hopefully it's on the section that we're doing today. If not, I may go ahead and continue riding down it just to try it out, because I've been wanting to try that, or I've been wanting to ride that bridge. I'm not sure what it's called, but it like goes around this, it curves around the mountain. You can just see all through here. I think it'll be pretty awesome to check out. Still on the Blue Hill, Foothills Parkway, fellas, and so far I am thoroughly enjoying everything about this road. It is absolutely amazing so far. It's not been technical by no means. It's just been some beautiful sweeping curves and view after view after view. I love it. So far I am thoroughly enjoying this road. This might be the contender for my favorite road out here. As of now, my favorite road is the Cherahalla Skyway. But this is slowly becoming a contender to knock that out of first place slot, and this is going to be possibly my #1 favorite road to ride down here in this area. I decided to go ahead and do the entire Foothills Parkway. I wasn't going to, but you know what? Screw it. I don't get the opportunity to come down here as much as I would like to. And this is the bridge I was talking about. This is what I wanted to ride. Look at that view, folks. I mean, come on. How can you go wrong? You can't, that's how. It's not possible. Just out here on this old Harley-Davidson with pushing 30,000 miles. Enjoying this beautiful, beautiful day in this beautiful part of the country. It's one of my favorite parts of the country to ride in. Looks like we got some people here. Oh wow. I've said it before, I'll say it again. How could I get so lucky? Like, this is gorgeous. Beautiful out through there. Beautiful. Well, we got about another 4 miles or so till we get to the end of the parkway, and we are going to stop and get some lunch at I believe it's called Hillbilly's Restaurant. We're going to stop and get some lunch there and then ride the parkway back again. Alright, well, we made it to Hillbilly's Restaurant. Couldn't go inside because of Little miss thing right there. But that's okay. We already got our food, started eating. I forgot to turn the camera on, but because we're both hungry. And I'm all about, I don't know about y'all, but I'm a chubby kid, so when I get hungry, that's like the only thing on my mind is feeding my fat ass. But that's okay. I got me a barbecue burger here. It's pretty good. Sarah got her burger over there. Is it good? Mm-hmm. So far, Hillbilly's restaurant gives an Indiana Harley guy thumbs up. That's what's up. So after we leave here, we're gonna go over, take the Foothills Parkway again, the other way, and go over to the Tail of the Dragon Harley-Davidson over there at 129. All right, so we just finished up our meal here at Hillbilly Harley-Davidson. Pretty damn good. I decided I'm gonna go ahead and take the rest of the day for myself, not worry about filming too awful much. But I'll see y'all in the next video. As I said before, be sure to hit that like button and click the subscribe button. And as always, ride safe, y'all.